Scene script. Have you ever stopped to wonder just how much power the sun provides us each day, and if that power could be harnessed to reduce your energy costs? The sun, our very own celestial powerhouse, showers the earth with an abundance of energy every day. This energy is not only plentiful but also renewable, unlike the fossil fuels we've relied on for so long. Picture this: a single hour of sunlight can generate enough power to meet the world's energy demands for an entire year. Now, as the cost of traditional energy sources continues to rise, the potential of solar power as a cost-effective alternative becomes increasingly evident. It's like having a mini power station right on your rooftop, tirelessly generating electricity, even on cloudy days. Imagine the savings on your energy bills if you could tap into this abundant, freely available source of power. The best part? You don't need to be a rocket scientist to make this happen. Harnessing the sun's energy isn't as complex as it might seem. Let me walk you through how you can transform your home into a solar-powered haven. To tap into this renewable energy source, you need to install solar panels on your roof. So, let's break down the process, shall we? First, it's important to understand that the amount of energy you can generate with solar panels depends on your home's specific energy needs. You'll need to start by figuring out how much electricity you use on a monthly basis. This will give you a good idea of the size of the solar system you'll need. Next, you'll need to have a site survey conducted. This is where a professional comes to your home to assess the conditions of your roof and its exposure to sunlight. Factors like the angle of your roof, its orientation, and the amount of shade it gets can all impact the efficiency of your solar panels. Once the site survey is complete, it's time to design your solar system. This includes determining the number and type of solar panels you'll need, as well as their placement on your roof. The goal here is to maximize sunlight exposure to generate as much electricity as possible. Now comes the exciting part: installation. The solar panels are affixed to your roof and then connected to an inverter. This nifty device converts the direct current, DC electricity produced by the panels, into alternating current, AC, which is the type of electricity used in homes. But how do the solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, you ask? Well, each solar panel is made up of many small solar cells. These cells contain a material called silicon that generates an electric charge when exposed to sunlight. This electric charge is then captured and converted into usable electricity. It's important to remember that this process doesn't happen overnight. It can take a few weeks or even a few months from initial assessment to installation. But the wait is worth it. You're not just saving money on your electricity bills, you're also contributing to a healthier planet. Once the panels are installed and the system is up and running, you're well on your way to harnessing the sun's energy. Switching to solar energy isn't just about reducing your energy costs. It's a step towards greener, more sustainable living. By harnessing the power of the sun, you're helping to reduce the world's carbon footprint. You're contributing to a sustainable future where we rely less on fossil fuels and more on renewable energy sources. But the benefits of going solar aren't solely environmental. There's a financial side to it that's equally compelling. Solar power can significantly reduce your monthly energy bills, and in some places you can even sell excess power back to the grid. It's like having your own little energy business right on your roof. Additionally, homes with solar installations are becoming increasingly desirable. They hold their value better and often sell faster than their non-solar counterparts. So, not only are you saving on energy costs, but you're also potentially increasing your property's value. Solar power is a win-win for your wallet and for the planet. Ready to make the switch to solar energy? Fabulous! There's a wealth of resources available to help you navigate this exciting journey. You'll find numerous websites dedicated to promoting solar energy, packed with valuable information to arm yourself with. Organizations like the Solar Energy Industries Association are a great starting point. Don't forget to explore government incentives for solar installation. These can significantly lower the cost of your solar setup. The database of state incentives for renewables and AMP efficiency is a fantastic resource for this. Choosing a solar installer is a critical step. Look for companies with a strong track record and positive customer reviews. And remember, it's okay to ask questions. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. So what are you waiting for? Start harnessing the power of the sun today and make your home a beacon of sustainability and cost efficiency.